Good morning. This is GM Murali Krishna, HOD Physics, Sri GCSR College, Rajam, Srikakulam District, Andhra Pradesh. Thank you for your wonderful support in the previous videos. This is the video which I want to present regarding motion and one of the important topic of simple harmonic motion also. Um, I hope this is the basic core topic in intermediate as well as of UG also. What is this motion and how can we understand what are the basic components related to motion? Motion is related to physical characteristics and there's some coordinate system if you want to look at and how it can relate. There are the things today we are going to discuss and types of motion. And in that, my intention is I'll tell you about simple harmonic motion. So now, what is that motion? Motion is nothing but it is that change in position of a body with respect to surroundings and time. So definitely we can, if you want to look at any object in the space, there should be a coordinate system is required. See, motion is nothing but to specify, to locate a body with respect to time and its surroundings. Suppose if the position of a body changes with respect to time and surrounding, then we can say the body is said to be in motion. So motion are broadly classified into two types. One is of linear and circular. So if you're going to understand circular motion, again circular motion are again classified into periodic and non-periodic. Come to the point of periodic motion. A simple harmonic motion is one of the basic type of periodic motion. My intention is to emphasize what is this simple harmonic motion and what are the characteristics present of simple harmonic motion. A simple harmonic motion is one which has a to and fro motion about its mean position and its acceleration is directly proportional to its displacement, and one more important thing, it's also opposite direction. So, the basic characteristics of simple harmonic motion are of four. One is acceleration is directly proportional to displacement, and acceleration is always means towards the mean position, and the displacement is directly proportional to acceleration. The body always tend to move its equilibrium position only. And what are the physical characteristics of simple harmonic motion? We know for a circular motion, even it convert into a linear motion. So what is this physical characteristic mean? It has velocity, displacement, velocity, amplitude, acceleration, phase, ep. These are the five important most things we need to understand. So we basically know that what is the amplitude, what is the velocity, and what is displacement, acceleration, and phase, epoch. Now we are going to understand in detail of this topic. What is this displacement? Displacement is nothing but it is the distance from its mean position or the change in position from one point to another point in a particular time period. That's called displacement, which is usually represented with a letter x. What is meant by velocity? The basic definition of velocity is this: the rate of change of velocity is nothing but displacement, where x is equal to, earlier we know the displacement x is represented with a letter x. So x is equal to a sine omega t plus pi. In the very clearly represent what is that a, omega and all. X is the displacement, a represents amplitude, omega represents angular frequency, and pi represents phase or epoch. Initial phase we call it as epoch. So these are the basic things which are related to this is simple harmonic motion. So now I am going to tell you what is this acceleration. Earlier we understand what is the displacement. Displacement is nothing but the change in position of a body. In a simple harmonic motion, the body, you can see a body will oscillate from its mean position to and fro. That mean position to the extreme position, or it is nothing but the distance from mean position to some other point from the mean to extreme position. So what is that velocity? Velocity is nothing but the rate of change of displacement, that is v equal to dx by dt, that is x equal to a sine omega t plus pi. Now again we are going to differentiate that. that is called velocity. Now what is meant by acceleration? Acceleration is also, again, we can call it as the rate of change of displacement is nothing but acceleration. So and what is meant by amplitude? Amplitude, as earlier we know that x equal to a sine omega t plus pi, that the maximum displacement is called as amplitude. That is, when the extreme position, the body is said to be at extreme position, then that is called amplitude of the body, where that is that when we are call it as x equal to a, that means omega t plus pi, it becomes maximum, that is of theta equal to 1. So sine x equal to a, that is called x equal to a, is called maximum amplitude, that is called displacement. Thank you.